This is Travis, and I am going to show you how to replace the trim line on your weed eater in between two cars. Tools you're going to need: wire cutters. I'm going with the 1973 red-handed special. You're going to need trim line, and you're going to need what I like to call the weed eater feeder. First step, get the trim line from the packaging. I already pre-cut my trim line for the purposes of this video, but typically you want to bring out at least 3 arm lengths of trim line. So go ahead, when you start pulling out your trim line in the package, just do 3 of those, and you're golden. Next step, and the first step, we are going to add the trim line to the weed eater feeder. Things you want to look for: the 2 holes, the arrow in which you need to wind the trim line. I don't have it, so I already know I'm going to the right. Next step, add the trim line to the weed eater feeder. Go ahead and grab the 2 ends of the trim line evenly, and we're going to go feed them through these 2 holes. Go ahead and pull the trim line, and next step is winding up the trim line. Remember, go to the direction of your arrow. Mine's saying go to the left. So we are going to wind the trim line. Next step, see these guys right here? They are to add the trim line in them. Now these are going to point down, so now when you go ahead and feed your dirty weed eater, we're going to thread these through this hole. Look for the cap. Thankfully, I strategically placed it on the floor. And you're going to see, looks like a piece of metal with some threads on it. And we're going to take the very bottom of the weed eater and screw it on. Now, you have a weed eater with new trim line. Thank you.